it's definitely 20 past 11.
Morning from Paris.
Bonjour.
As we didn't end up going out yesterday, we are drinking our mimosas. Well, orange, peach and apricot juice with Prosecco this morning. Because, why not, right?
Oh, sounds delicious.
Yeah. We've got coffee and we went to the Monoprix. We've got a ton of hams and cheese and obviously some French bread. Because
That's the only thing to drink while you're here.
drink, well.
I mean, you can drink bread, guys, I'm just saying.
We're gonna have breakfast with you guys.
Well, cheers to day 2 in Paris.
Cheers.
Oh,
That's delicious.
Oh my god, cut away, baby girl.
I'm gonna start small and then go big.
Okay. I feel like we should have got another steak by this one. Yay!
Oh,
Voila. Should I got a bread knife?
no, it's fine.
Sure?
Yeah. Just don't know what I want first.
Everything. I want it all.
I don't know how you don't like unsalted butter. It's just so good.
Please tell me that's what you bought.
Yeah.
That's fine. We'll make do.
Do you mind?
Not at all. I feel like the saltiness of the cheese and...
Especially the salamis and stuff. Surely is enough.
I mean, I have salted butter and salami all the time, but it's fine.
Wow, this one looks good. What's this guy?
Jambon, I think.
That just means ham in French.
Okay. Special jambon.
Right. Actually, I'm going to go in with some ball salad there. We're literally here for one more morning, so I don't know how...
I mean, this is going to get demolished, can we not lie?
Okay, fair.
This all looks tasty and delicious.
I mean, we can just go
and
back...
anything we don't eat...
We can just go back to the supermarket and get another breadstick and just have more for lunch.
That's a good idea. We can do that.
Down for that. We won't mukbang that one, because that's just the same thing.
Yo, you didn't tell me what mukbang is.
It's just a video where people eat
Loads of food.
food on camera.
Okay. That's different.
It started in Korea, and I think it literally translates as like food broadcast or something. I don't know. Now I'm going to sound like I don't know what I'm talking about. But I think the whole point was like people that are eating alone feel like they're eating with people.
Oh, is that what it's about?
I think so. Which is quite cute. Sweet, right?
I mean, on video it's a bit strange, but...
I mean, I watch them, but then it's really bad when I'm watching them at home because I'll go and order food, even though I'm not really hungry.
So guys, I've put like everything in here.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Mmm.
This coffee's actually nice. Have you tried it?
Mmm. Mmm.
See, I wouldn't be able to taste what's in it if I had that much.
The flavours are just...
I like to go simple.
So we're going to go to the market. Anything you're on the hunt for, you should definitely find the market.
We will go on the market. I don't know really. I want to see if there's any clothes or like accessories, like hats or jewellery. I don't think there'll be that much clothes here. I think more the markets in south of France there'll be more clothes.
It should be there.
We'll see. Apparently there's a lot of food and stuff as well.
Oh, okay.
And there'll be like little trinkets and stuff, and we can see if there's something cute. As a gift for your one.
It's a great idea. It's a great idea.
So good, right? I mean, if we're still hungry after the market, we can just go get another one. So good.
Oh,
I wish if I was at school I could just play in the park like that. Oh, the road work is probably not good for you, you know. It's like, I think a bit. Wow, these windows are really noise cancelling. What is it with the bread here?
I don't know. The food in general is just sensational.
No, but the bread,
Quick,
it just tastes amazing. Are you going to bite it?
No.
Oh. Yes. Open it up.
Yeah?
Quick.
Can I call that part of his food?
You can tell me now.
Yeah, that's good.
And you can repost it. I feel like when we're in Nice, we can get like a bigger spread because we have more days there. Then we can like have more days to finish it. So we can get like yogurts and fruits and stuff as well.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I mean, I can't lie, I'm thinking more about the train journey than I am about what we're going to eat there.
What we're going to eat on the train.
Yeah.
But you can still do this on the train as well.
True.
Or we can get those little pots that we saw.
Which
And
ones?
loads of different things. Like pastas and prawns and...
Yeah.
That'd be nice, but we'd need cutlery. We'd need cutlery for this as well because we need a knife.
I'm sure we can buy that plastic.
So good. At school, I saw one kid that had like a salami sandwich and no one really knew what it was and I was like, oh, what is that?
Wow.
I know. I'm sure now they know.
It's
But
not normal to me.
I know, same. I'm sure now they know, but back then they didn't know what it was.
So weird. Absolutely garbage.
I'm going for this guy now.
This one?
Mm-hmm. So I'm doing little bits so that I can try loads of little things. Probably shouldn't put butter with this, but because I'm on holiday. Wow.
Use whatever you want.
That's a lot of bun tata. Went through the plastic.
Can you put it on the surface?
I mean, it's fine. Can I have some?
Oh,
It looks so creamy, doesn't it?
This is empty.
Oh.
Is it fine?
Mm-hmm.
Did we get camembert? Did we get
I think that's come away. Oh no. Oh yeah. Finish your coffee.
I need it.
Have another one.
Oh no. That's me one's better.
Put ham in it. Oh, I'm ruining this, aren't I?
Indulgent.
I hate the ham without fat. I love the ham with fat.
Yeah, everything. Why do people do that?
So people like cut this bit off. It tastes good. If you're gonna eat it, you might as well just eat it.
Mmm.
More of that too.
Guys,
Yeah, go for it.
this is just sensational.
Mmm.
Such a good idea.
If I don't wake you up this morning, how long would you have stayed in bed?
I feel like I probably would have stayed at 12. What time did you go? I didn't even hear you go. I was zonked.
I don't know what time I went to bed.
Was the bed alright? Comfy.
But I definitely fell asleep really early in the film.
Yeah, you definitely fell asleep at the beginning. They were like, let's go to Singapore. And the dad just gone.
We watched Crazy Rich Asians, if that's what the reference was, by the way.
I did watch it to the end, so don't ruin it for me, thank you.
Hopefully you'll watch it by then.
What?
By the time it's up.
Oh, true.
Why? You're saying don't ruin it for you? You're going to be reading all the comments.
I guess it depends when it goes up.
Let's hope so, but there's quite a few that I still need to edit for.
Oh, true.
This guy.
I feel like this is a good one to start with, though. Like, I'm back.
I guess the bedroom makeover one can go up anytime.
They all can. None of them are like time
No,
sensitive.
but I'm not going to do this before I do get ready with me to go to Paris.
Oh, I thought it was one.
What?
I thought the getting ready for Paris was part of like, this. Was it separate?
Yeah, it's separate.
Oh.
This is going to be its own video.
Right.
It sounds quite nice.
That's cute.
Right? And then cheese. I'm so happy to have this for lunch. Right? Cool. Sorted.
Oh, if I can make it through breakfast. Is any left?
That will be.
No.
We've got more than enough. Plus there's not enough bread for you to get through all this time.
It's true. Guys, we'll be back in 2 minutes. Just going to the shop to get more bread.
I'm like getting really boiling hot right now though.
Are you? Really?
Sweating up a little bit. Eating as a black hope now.
Meat sweats? Maybe not.
I just had 2 of these and half of one of those. I never go to buy balls at home, you know.
You never buy it? Really?
My mum used to quite often, but I never think to buy it, but it's so good. With like crackers and stuff too.
Yeah, no, but people buy Philadelphia. Why?
Yeah, it's so much better. Is it goat cheese? It's not, right?
I don't think so. Check the box.
Can you read it?
Du lait, de la crème.
No, I don't think it is because it would say if it is. And goat cheese is chef. Chef. I'll throw another one in there that it did say.
Sure.
Yeah.
Honestly, so simple. But when you keep it simple, absolutely sensational.
In France, yes. In England, rubbish.
I mean, you can still buy salami and Like.
Yeah, but the cheeses aren't the same, and the main thing, the bread, is not the same. That's the best bit.
It's a bit sourdoughy.
I quite liked it.
It's really nice. I love it.
I don't know what they do. Honestly, if I eat like this much baguette at home, I feel like I'm gonna burst.
Yeah, because it's different.
I don't know what they put in it though.
But it's like white bread, it's really like stodgy.
They have that too here, but this is what people normally get. Like this, it's like
This is normal.
It's like a flute or something. I don't know what it's called.
Oh, you mean the small ones?
No, they have the baguette, but these like normal baguette is like what we would have at home. They had that there in the shop as well, but these baguettes are like slightly pointier at the end, and they're the ones that normally people buy here in France.
The bread is different though. It's just different.
Just in general, even the white one, I feel like would be different.
It's not Hovis or sorry, not advertising.
I don't know what it is. They do gluten-free bread in boulangeries here too.
They'd have to now.
But why does their gluten-free bread still taste better than in England?
I don't know. Gluten-free bread in England is disgusting.
I think they just do bread better, don't they? We could even get like little tarts or something for dessert later for lunch. That'd be cute.
How do you say what's like an apple tart?
Tart.
Oh, apple tart?
Mhm.
Is it apple?
Mhm.
Oh. What's that with the other ones?
Or
They do like
tart pom. Pom is apple.
They do like
A millefeuille.
custard and almond or something.
A millefeuille is like there's like loads and loads of layers. In between cream. You know,
Beautiful.
you seen that? Oh, so good.
Sensational.
How you feeling?
I want more.
Go for it.
No, I'm not gonna eat the bread. I'm literally just gonna eat the ham and cheese.
Oh.
Because that's how beautiful it is.
I'm curious to see what Mark has to offer. Also, it's Tuesday, so how busy?
Probably not that busy. Well, it might be. You just never know.
I hope it closes at 1 and not 12.
But I don't know if they're like gonna. If they close at 1, are they gonna start like wrapping up at 12?
Oh dear.
Do you know what I mean? I'm surprised it closes so early though. Do you think it's because it's a food market?
How has it taken us so long? To be fair, I woke up at 10.
I mean, we're out the door at 10:30. We were back here by like 11:10.
Yeah, it's not that bad. I'm gonna repost. Anyway, it's 12 story.
Oh my god.
I feel like go to the market and just go straight to the shop and get another baguette.
Cool.
I could just eat butter and bread.
Yeah, me too.
Like, honestly.
What's the one?
Just can't. It's just too. It's too good. You know?
Excuse me.
Let's go with that was the Prosecco.
That definitely was.
Okay.
Had a little down before the break.
Oh, did ya? Screw it. That's enough ham for this piece of bread, right?
I mean, probably fit a bit more. Oh. Divine. I'm actually good.
You're full.
I'm ready for a stroll.
Give us an hour, round 2.
We'll be back.
We will be back.
And that, guys, is part 1 to eating breakfast in Paris.
It is. We're going to go to the market. We'll take you with us, but that'll be another video. See you next one. Bye.
Bye.
With a mouthful. That was gross. And that one. Bye. And off she goes.